Hello everyone, here I am going to teach you the Sicilian defense. We start with e4, c5, specifically the knight drop. So we have knight f3, d6, d4, c check d4, knight take d4, knight f6, and knight c3. This is the starting position, and now we gonna play this as black so it not drop like this. Stay here. And then there are a couple of options black white can do, like example for the English attack, which is the most common, I think maybe. And for me, I like to play e5, and then bishop e7, and yeah, if they want to play queen d2, but if they play queen d2 right away, we have this. And yeah, it's not good. If we hit 3, we can simply take, and yeah, we got a bishop for 9. And now, with the castle, we can take, and now we can skewer them, because actually, you cannot take back because of this skewer. And then, if we have something this is correct. So the correct move are h3 and f3, stopping this square knight from going this square, because it's really dangerous step. So h3, so we play bishop e7, f3, queen d2, no, bishop e6, queen d2, castle, and castle queen side. And now yeah, we got the setup, and this is the setup I talk about. Yeah, sorry. It's not that complex. Actually, the drop is not really complex because it have a lot of theory, but it's not that much kind of theory. Yes, it has theory, but we don't have to learn it all. Let's look at some example. If they play g4, which is probably the most common move, we play b5. Try to counter attack like this, and then yeah, it seems really dangerous for this pawn to push, but actually we can take like this, and we got the open file. And if they try to do some kind of this, actually the knight is already blockading this open file, and this is actually really good. And now we have the landlock again, and the another common variation is this. And now we have e6, f4, queen b6, which is a really complex thing. Let's see if I can play e5. Yes, it can play. But now the thing is, white can play knight f5, and that's not good. So we need to play e6, and it's really complex here, but it's not that good. So we need to learn more on this thing. Queen b6, yeah, but we really trying to get the same just without this. And yeah, we can do like this, and now we can do the same thing without this bishop on e6 because this is already on e6, but it's good because this cannot distinguish, and we clearly try it really the same setup, but queen on c7 and bishop on the same square. So now let's look at another variation. Bishop c4 is where we e5 is actually better for beginner, and then we can do the setup like this, like this, and this. Yeah, it doesn't know what they're doing. It's very bad position for them. Yeah, we can get to escape setup. It's just the same. We bishop on, and yeah, it's not really that complex. And the other thing they can play is h3, trying to stop this knight right now, but we can play e5 and then we do the same setup. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's almost the same. And now if they don't break open the center, we can do like this and control everything we want, because this pawn on d6 is already protecting this and this. So now we can do some Botanic English, like you know, this and this, 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 this. Yeah, it's a Botanic English, but we play as white. Yeah, it's a different. So you can study the English opening. Thank you for watching.